Alrighty, welcome. Happy Friday. Not actually set up, so if you're in chat, give me a second. I got excited. I hit the button when I wasn't ready. So instead of backing out, we're just going to deal with this. Alright. If you're new here, consider hitting that follow button or the subscribe button. If you like my work and feel like you want to support me, you can drop by datafabrications.com and check out my merch store or consider donating a coffee. Either way, happy you're here. Happy Friday. Got a bunch of new toys, so give me a second. Oh. Oof. All right. We got a handful of stuff. I still gotta do. Well, we got a bunch more assets to do in here, but I had a list of assets I wanted to do before I went off and did other things. So, I don't know, we could start with like let's look at laundry hampers. We'll do something like that pretty easily. Guess it doesn't necessarily need to be open either. Make it easier. What are we doing? We'll need a texture for that though. So, SketchUp textures. Look for weaves. So we can find like a wooden weave. Wood. Weave. Look at weave. Let's just look up wood then. Maya's loading. It's a bunch of roofs. I mean, this will read correctly, so I guess that'll work. It's the question I want to know. Alright. Oh, I'm not logged in. Go ahead and log on. Do I have to log in? Oh, it's dumb. Okay, whatever. Started getting ads on my video, but I'm not getting paid for any of it. Alright, so textures. Go to wood. Search. Start making our basket. Minimize everything so we can kind of multitask here. Okay. Take our face. Mine is real slow right now. I think that was too far. It's kind of close to where we were. I can't seize it. So we want to make it a little bit bigger. You know, maybe bring that down a little bit. We will center our pivot. Got a new keyboard, so I might mess up some of my hotkeys until I get used to how this feels. You go ahead and insert, bring it down to the bottom, bring you up, turn off snapping, drop you down. There's that wood texture. Did I go through? Yeah, I think I went through roofs. I don't think I went this far down though. Maybe I did. Who knows? I didn't go this far down. What's up, Peach? How you be? It's been a while. You good? Is anybody forcing you to say something? Were you kidnapped? Were you toppling government regimes. I need to know. I need to know. I don't know if I need to. Oh, it's too late. That's what it's gonna be. Alright. There was a wooden texture that I was gonna use. And now I can't find it. These will probably work. I don't know where it went. It was like right after roofs. What is this called? 80. Okay. Let's just find it. Find on page. There we go. Found it. Should have done that the whole time. But I didn't. Because I suck. Alright, laundry hamper. We actually don't want to bring that in. So we'll take our bottom. Gonna line it up a little bit. It looks good. Where's everyone else? My streams have been pretty dead as of late, so I don't know. But most of the time you guys don't even show up until like an hour or two into the stream. Cocaine's been pretty regular, but Luke's been off and on. Yeah. I just figure everybody died. What are we doing? I actually want to round. I want to round those edges more. So bevel. It's going to create a weird shape, isn't it? Yeah. Well. Let's see what happens when we bevel. What's up, CZ? How you be, my guy? Yes, it's laundry, and then I'm also doing a trash bin. So we got both of them. Need to be able to spread that. Nice. New videos are fun. Trying to... So I want to take one day off during the week. But I don't know which one. I think I'm going to be doing Saturdays. Why is Nightbot existing? Poor Nightbot. Questioning his reality. I feel for him. Really do. New animation out on your Scratch. Nice. Let's check that out. You should link it in Discord. Okay. Yeah, that'll work. And then we'll take, God, this keyboard feels weird. Okay, so... Usually have like a little cloth inside-y doodad. So... I think the best way to do that is creating an edge loop. Bringing it down to about where I want it. And then selecting all of this. And the bottom face right there. Assuming... Huh. Okay, hold on. I am gonna do it like this. We're gonna deselect all of it. Oh yeah, Nightbot exists only for the sole purpose of existing. Your laptop keyboard is not the best. The mic sounds horrible? Hold on. Shouldn't. Hello? Hello? Oh, are you talking for you? Okay. Yeah, okay, I was like, just invested in a bunch of new stuffs. I just got a new keyboard and I'm still trying to get the feel of it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, although this mouse is kind of pissing me off too. So we'll do that. Alright, we will deselect all of these. Oh no. Hold on. Okay. Select, wait, no, it's Shift Alt. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got, like a mouse. You got your mouse for your laptop. Hope it won't meet the same fate as Gaffles. I also hope that it doesn't meet the same fate as Gaffles. But yeah, I got a new headset, I got a new mouse and keyboard. I bought a bunch of cat toys for my cats. Got these like automated cat balls, and they haven't really decided if they like them yet. But I think they will. Kind of just leave them alone, and then they like go off and, you know, run around. I think they're fun. Oh my god. Does this... My mouse might need charging. We all got new mouses. Love kitties. gotta love cats. You gotta love all of the cats. Just listen to them meow. Alright, so we'll do you. Okay, hold on. Okay. An object. Soften edge. Take that edge loop and bevel. I've been playing through Cyberpunk and holy fuck is that game different now. Oh yeah, you can't forget the doggos. Doggies. You use a magic mouse with Magic Mouse 2 with your laptop. What is that? Magic Mouse 2. Oh no, it's an Apple. Is that the one with the fucking charging port on the bottom of the... Yeah. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Why? Should huck that thing out the window. I mean, they look sleek. I hate that charging port location. I'll bitch about it all day, every day. I don't need these end guns. These end guns need to get gone. Your mouse is a Logitech? I just got... The fuck are these? Muj? I got Muj KM51. Yeah, I got... That's my mouse. And my... That's my keyboard. Right there. Yeah, the port at the bottom doesn't make sense. The fuck... To fuck are these moment? Yeah... But I keep, like, hitting the wrong key because I'm not... It's, like, positioned a little bit differently than my old keyboard. Okay. No. Your friend is helping you with your content now? Nice. It's always nice having some help. Wait. That was already fixed. I'm dumb. Okay. Soften edges. Good job. Good job to you as well, Peach. Happy good job to you. He's a good editor. Videos will be better than they are. Nice. It's always nice. Editing's time consuming. It's kind of why I don't do a whole lot of editing. You're still one human naminator? You're still one human naminator. I feel you. You're only one. Let's center that pivot. I don't think your videos suck. Let's pull the thing back up. And this is what I was basing it off of. And that has... Yeah, Peach said... Ask Jonathan about how much he hates my vids. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't need no negativity in my life, CZ. Ain't need no negativity. Alright, so that is a little loop. A real fun way of making loops. Little bows. I call them bows, because that's what they are. Okay. You do this, right? And you polymodel, and you subdivide. Nightbot, you're adopted. You tell him. He doesn't let you put your content in his Discord. Oh. Why? Is it just you, or...? Or does he just have a thing against self-promotion in his Discord? Oh, well, that's not fun. Why? So you think he hates your vids? I mean, it do be sounding like he hates his vids. It do be sounding like that. He comments mean things. He won't let him share any of his content. I mean, to me, that do be sounding like it. Right? You know, I'm no scientist or nothing. But you know, if it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, and you know, swims like a duck, it's probably not a cat. At least. He says you only play FNAF when you play other games. Yeah, I've seen you play a bunch of different games. But I don't think it really matters. Right? And like, if you talk to a lot of different streamers who do like exclusively like gameplay stuff, they tell you that variety streaming is not the best thing that you could be doing. But I mean, you've done God of War. You've done Undertale. There's a lot of FNAF content, but Mike, I haven't seen any of your... It's probably not a cat, yeah. I didn't see any Minecraft. CZ, do you watch Backseats streams? Peach would like to know. Okay. I'm gonna do not soft selection. I want to change that to world. And then we're gonna freeze transformations. We're gonna go along Z and do a -1. Okay. CZ does watch Backstreet streams. Okay. Make one of these a little bit smaller. Bring it up. I went to go repair this lady's washing machine today. And I kind of get in there, I'm like, okay, well, where are the other parts? And she starts by saying, oh, well, the last technician threw all these parts away. It was like $1,000 to $2,000 worth of parts. So me and my boss are questioning her, and she's like, oh wait, no. My mom just told me that she threw them away. We're I mean, alright, we can continue with the repair, but you're gonna have to pay for the parts you threw away. He inspires you to break games. Good. You should always be inspired to break games. Should never not be a thing that you would aspire to. Glitches are fun. They are. In college, we were all showing off games that we had made. They were super basic, asset flip type things. And all of my classmates had put vehicles in their game, but they didn't. They only programmed the vehicle. So the vehicles would pass through collisions and ignore so much of everything that they programmed. So 5 or 6 people, I just hopped in a vehicle and completely busted their game. SB with no neck? What is SB? Smash Bros? Oh, security breach. Every time you leave for a bit, you switch to a completely different topic. Yeah. That's what you get. That's what you get. Alright, so we can do a plane. Okay. Maybe put an edge loop in there. Nope. Insert edge loop. Oh. Okay. Bring that over there. CZ has not tried beating SP. What does that mean with no neck? Switch to it. I didn't, Peach. But what I need to know to a I do not care you will never hear me talk about politics. I have a friend that texts me at least 6 or 7 times in a day, and it's all political nonsense, and I tell him every time, I do not care. He could not be texting me something that is less interesting to me. You know, I could probably just delete these curves. I don't need to duplicate them. No! Crap. Hitting the wrong buttons. Okay, delete history. Now, delete that. Blender is complicated. Blender can be. I'm not in Blender though. You change banner on X and Twitch. I have to do a new banner too. Thanks for reminding me. Is it the same as your channel now? Okay, soften edges. This is Maya. Which is a very similar CAD program, I'm not gonna lie. Nope, on the 1 year stuff and channel is not up to date. Oh, okay. A bunch of wires all over my arm too. Okay. My mouse keeps dying. I think either it's crap or it needs to be charged. So we're gonna go wired mouse for a little bit. See how this does. You have 31 on Twitch. Congrats, man. I'm gonna be honest. Like, nobody drops by my Twitch. I virtually never see anybody new on Twitch. I just think the, yeah, I mean, maybe it's just me. I feel like you kind of have to bring an audience to Twitch. And, yeah. What are we doing, kiddo? What are we doing? Hmm? Combine. Twitch is hard. I know, I've almost hit 1K on YouTube, so I do be happy about that. We're so close. What are we doing, kiddo? Duplicate. Why do you smell? What were you doing? Oh, it's on Z. I have 900? When did I hit 900? I don't have 900. I have 893. Like 7 away. It's close. Yeah. Close to 900. Alright. Do this. I'll be rid of this stream for half and 20 Glossners. I don't know what that means, Twitch. There's no way I'm gonna hit 4,000 before UCZ. There's no way. God. Got a froggle in my throat. I want to pretend I know what, yeah. Yeah, like I said, there's no way I'm gonna hit 4K before you. I'd have to, like, pay for YouTube exposure, which I'm not gonna do. Alright. I wanna shrink you. You're a little big for your britches. And we'll just do that. Combine. 180. It's weird. Shouldn't be behaving like that. It's interesting. Okay. And once again, I'm gonna have ZBrush do the UVs. Export selection. New folder. Laundry hamper. Hello, Rat Grandmother. How are you doing today? Happy Friday. Thanks for dropping by. We're We're making stuff today. Lots of stuff. Laundry hamper. Let's put that as an OBJ. Open it up in ZBrush. These balls did not last very long. I guess that makes sense. Will I charge them? Are you gonna charge the balls, Felix? I guess I don't really have the ability to do that over here. We're gonna import laundry hamper. Oh, that's not what we wanted. Okay. I'll pull that down just a hair. Okay. Just take everything, combine it, and export it. Laundry hamper OBJ. Replace and import. Now we can do it. Laundry hamper. Oh, quads and triangles. Go ahead and Z plug in, UV master unwrap. Export, laundry hamper, save, okay, delete and import, not export. Import, desktop, Grim, laundry hamper. And we'll import that. Soften edges. Assign its own material. Delete history. Call this laundry hamper mat. R1. Mat. Oh, finally a person. And a new one. Yeah. I don't know if they're still here, though. Rat grandmother may have peaced out, as the kids say. Okay. Well, 889. Cocaine's here. Welcome back, Cocaine. No. Little later. Little late because you were playing some E-blocks. I do like them E-blocks. I do. It's alright, man. Peach is here for the first time in a while. We're gonna go to UV editor. I'll double check our UVs. Them's do be UVs. Them's do be UVs. Okay. So we can export that. It's laundry hamper FBX. Export. Go into substance. I want this downloaded. Okay. We also need Photoshop open. Luke is present. Tuning in on his Mac. Welcome, Luke. We need to get you 33,333 million subs. I agree. Sounds like a good time. Just don't know how that's gonna work. But I'll tell you, the OG gang is officially back. I got pretty much all of you in here. For all of you that stick around. Your computer is at 890. You predict that in 2024, data will reach 1K subs. I would hope so. I really hope that within the course of a year, I can get 7 more subs. I hope so. If I don't, I think I'll just quit. Stop doing YouTube. Still make my game, but that'd be miserable. Photoshop's gotta open. Yes, we can prep our substance file as well. New folder. From your computer's awful channel that got your computer is 890. Your competitor is at 889. It's at 890. Your competitor is an awful channel that got its first 10K views before you. The stream is blowing up just a little bit. Trying to keep up with chat. Okay, we do our FBX. Go ahead and import that. Okay. Blew up by like 8 views. Yeah. Yeah, by blowing up, we're kind of exaggerating a little bit. you know, it's doing alright. It's more than we usually get. I ain't mad at that. Okay, we're gonna duplicate this. Okay. I didn't realize they had these little tiles here. Oh, of course they do. Well, use the clone stamp. Or, you know what else we can do? That's all symmetrical. So we can actually... Whoop. Why can't I zoom in? I'll just have to be zoomed in while I do this. Cocaine plays Roblox. He definitely does. What happened to the garlic phone? Nobody knows. What are we doing, kiddo? You'll share the channel later. What channel is it? Is it the dude that hates your stuff and won't let you share your content? And it sounds like a negative Nelly. Is that the channel we're talking about? $2 million subscribers. No. Oh, okay. Then how are they your competitor? I don't understand. Alright. I'm gonna turn this music down. No, they suck. They have been since 100. Ah. Little rivalry going on. Do you insult each other's mothers? At least. It's important. It's important for you to insult each other's mothers in a rivalry. Okay, we got a laundry hamper. Glam Rock Candy the Cat has 890 subs. Nice. This will be would weave NM. Okay, we're gonna do PNG. Save. Yep. Okay. Save as. Do a PNG again. What did I save that as? Hold on. I messed something up. Would weave and it was like 3rd grade and you got appled by another student. What is appled? Oh, I I already posted a rare video. I do that every day at this point. Early porn introduction. I mean, how did you feel about it? Did you like it? And then how does one... It's horrible. Why introduced you? Do it now, it works. I know, I just did. I just did one. Like, before I started the stream. Do you know what it has? Right now, it's got 57 views. And it hasn't changed for about 30 minutes. I've gotten no subscribers from it. And, yeah. That's what happened. Okay, Graham. Still getting used to these new mouse and keyboard. Let's go. Definitely like my new headset though. This thing's comfortable as shit. I need to start organizing that folder. Let me tell you. When I was in 4th grade, I found out I was horrified. Who? He looks like a snake too. Does he? Like, how does that? What do you mean he looks like a snake too? Why has the? Am I just failing to save these, or am I being dumb? That's why I'm saving it into the wrong file. Duly noted. Laundry hamper. Wood weave. Save PNG. Save. Look at the channel you said. Hold on. Let me get this asset done real quick. This will take me like 5 seconds after I finish bringing that in. Okay, I'm gonna delete, I'm gonna fill. Alright, base color, go normal. Alright, we'll increase the scale, something like that. We're gonna add a black mask. Take you, hit that. Can that be a UV issue? But honestly don't care. He resembles a cobra, his face. You can see why. You use PS at school? What does that mean, DZ? You look at porn at school? What are these slang words that everybody's saying and I don't understand? I'm not hip. Alright, you gotta spell it out for Papa Dada. He don't get it. I am making a laundry basket right now. I'm going through a list of assets at the moment, Ender. PS in Photoshop, it's for boomers. Oh, Photoshop. Yeah. I be using Photoshop. I do be using Photoshop. Where the fuck are you existing? I don't know. Hello, Enders. Hope you're having a good Friday. Yeah, I have a list of assets I gotta do before I kind of F off and go do other things on this project. So I'm kind of getting tired of modeling. want to do some programming. That sounds like fun. I guess that's the benefit to working solo. You can kind of do a whole bunch of different things. Okay. We can take that. We're gonna make it like something like that. There we go. There we go. Photoshop. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't get that Photoshop thing. Being dumb. That's why. This will probably look better if I throw like a cloth texture over it. Let's see if we got that. Cloth. Fabric. Yeah, something like this. That's what I want. That's what I want right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Just gonna throw that in there. Import resource. Add resource. Well, I'll do it this way. Boop. Texture. Project import. Where'd it go? Brush canvas fabric right there. Okay. We could probably just do that. Yeah, that'll work. And we'll use 2 fill layers to color it. Do a black mask. Oh yeah, ignore Nightbot. He goes through existential crises thanks to my moderators. Have I played Pal World lately? Pal World became an addiction, and I had to stop. I hit level 50. I caught a Dracopult or whatever they're called. The like one of the end game bosses. I kind of turned around and I was like, okay, well now I've got to breed these to make them faster. And I just kind of said, fuck it. I get game ADD really bad. I wish it wasn't so bad, but it does get pretty bad. I really wanted to play Phantom Liberty, and I've been on kind of a cyberpunk kick. That started with me watching, going on like a Batman Beyond kick, and oh, did your ears pop, Peach? I hate that so much. When your ears pop like that. Ugh. It's almost as bad as listening to corn squeak in your mouth. Ugh. No. Okay, now and take you and turn off all of these. I don't know if no, I didn't do that for this. Okay. And kind of change the color a little bit. Do like a yellowish. Yeah. There we go. What did you just do, Cocaine? Cocaine's PP size is invalid variable, inches. Steve T is awesome YouTube. Or yes. Okay, Susie. Now that that's all set up, let's look at this YouTube channel. YouTube. Okay, hold on. It's if I glam rock. Glam rock. Candy the cat. Glam rock Candy the cat. This is a YouTube channel or a character on FNAF? And if that's their channel name, they probably shouldn't be doing that, because that's going to hinder their search results. It looks like... Glam Rock Freddy. Nice, you got invalid variable inches, yeah. That either means it's microscopic, or it's too big. Will the world ever know? So, I mean, that looks kind of weird. Let's see what happens if I bring it up. Probably not much. So we'll leave it at 1K. Go to Filters channel. Yeah. Channel. Glamrock Candy the cat. The work of Glamrock's both inside and out. Glamrock sing along. So you just edit like animatronics, or? Is this all in Spanish? General Atomic Army, a former singer, and then Pizzaplex, and married to Roxanne Wolf. Huh. Let's do this. Alright. Can you search up Aaron Martin DB9, please? It's the car you're trying to get. You're gonna shit your pants at 3 a.m. Gone sexual. It's awful. Yeah, I don't want to get copyright struck. Okay, okay, fine. Cocaine. What are we looking up? We're gonna look up Austin Martin. DB9. DB9. It's kind of a sleek car. Huh. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I used to have a Fifth Avenue and it had so many problems. I love this car. It's like a little mafia car. Avenue car. Yeah, this was my favorite car. Absolute favorite. It just like I had so many fucking problems with it. I just couldn't handle it anymore. But man, when it worked, it was a comfy ride. The person that owns that channel is bad. Well, why are they bad? Like what makes them bad? Did I export the textures? Did I do that? Do you guys know? We're gonna do it again. Yeah. Dad added your username as an Easter egg in Grim. I did. There is an Easter egg in Grim. They do something bad. You can't say the word. Well, that's fucking... Yeah, here. I'll show you. Look, still here. Yeah. Put a little Easter egg in here. Yep. Nice little Easter egg. They did something bad. Like, what do you mean bad? Like CP? Do I have one? Not yet. What would you want? What would you want, CZ? Tell me what kind of Easter egg you would want. Put your character in it. Is that original work? I haven't seen it in a while. CZ Games. Yeah, okay, hold on. Hold on, I'm being dumb. Let me, CZ. Alright. Send, can you send me that image? Like on Discord or something? Is that possible? Cool. Yeah, send me the image. I'll make a picture out of it. I'll frame it over this desk. Alright, so we're going to import our laundry basket. Imagine playing Grim and you see Penguin smoking a blunt. Well, there is a winter level, so we could put some blunt smoking penguins. We could make that a character if we want. I think that'd be funny. Laundry hamper. Okay. Go ahead and import that. Yes, a blunt smoking penguin that gives a side quest. I'm down. I said I'd put CZ in here too. But like, I need some sort of like concept of a character. But yeah, if we go over here, kinda see it. Go walk over. But yeah, so like, basically, if you go over here, that bulletin's board's got a placeholder on it right now. But, yeah, you go in here, there'll be like a trolley, and then you'll end up in like a winter level. So we can definitely make that happen. Blunt smoking penguin, I'm all about. Let's do it. Alright. Laundry. Laundry hamper. Oh, what did they save those as? LAN? That's why. LA. Laundry hamper. Name the penguin Coke or Cane? Because it's a blood smoking penguin. I'm down. We'll get there. We will get there. There is a good place for him. That's the thing. 989898989. What are we? Did you have a stroke, CZ? Are you okay? Do you need me to call anybody? See, the trick is because most of these characters you're going to be able to play as. So I'm going to need to find a way to put them over Grim Skeleton. For the blunt smoking penguin. Yeah. We'll get there. We're going to do this area first, and then we'll talk about branching out to different areas. But if I'm going to do somebody first, it's going to be CZ because reasons. I told him I'd do it a long time ago. Metallic. Yeah, I just saw that. I could probably whip that up pretty quick, in all honesty. Actually, I want the normal GL. I don't want this normal. That's height, roughness. And that's specular. Apply, save. Okay. Up. God damn. Well, if we're gonna put a penguin, it makes sense to put him in the winter area, which isn't what we're doing right now. But if we use like CZ's character, I could probably place him somewhere in the tunnels. you know, rabbit tunnels, that sort of thing. Okay. So, let's look at that. I'll like move you out just a little bit. That work? Yeah. Yeah. Make like mini CZ plush on one of the tables. I'm gonna do a picture. That's gonna be the easiest thing to do. Doing a plush might take a little bit more time. But we might do a plush, but we gotta go to Discord. I'll do a picture and then probably do the character. Do a plush too. Okay. So basically, the way I do this is in 3 stages. I do the larger mesh. I do the kind of semi-smaller meshes or detail meshes like these. And then I'll do like micro meshes, which is like clothing that's going to be kind of sprayed like, you know, on the floor, or like food items, stuff like that. So that's not really the stage that we're at, but I can put that in. I can do a picture though really quick, so that's why I suggested that. Save image. We'll do solar, grim, Susie, guy, do new folder. Rename CZCTURE. There are 4 people watching on Twitch. Are there really? Mine only says 2. Welcome, lurkers. Hope you're having a good Friday. Yes, we go here, save that. There's a PNG. Is that a transparent background, CZ? I guess I'm gonna find out either way. Let's see if they have any paper. Let's see what comes up. Now too, yes. Okay. We'll download. Canvas. No. Here we go. Okay, you get a Grim. CZ picture. Okay. Can just transparent. Data Gamebot has 413 subscribers. We got a bit more. I did lose one. I'm down to 892. Okay, so in my bro, if Blunt Smoking Penguin, I'm gonna call him BSP. Becomes a playable character, then I'd be happy, man. It's so the way this game is gonna be designed is virtually every NPC you come across will be a playable character. Though that means that I have to place them over the Grim skeleton. And the reason I'm doing that is because it'll allow me to put a bunch of characters in over one rig. Yeah, it's gonna be time efficient for me to do that. So like if CZ's character becomes a character, you'll be able to play as him. Although Grim doesn't have 5 fingers. He's got 4. But like if we did like a penguin flipper, you can kind of just rig it around the hand. Yeah, you can become a Blunt Smoking Penguin. I shall make it so. It's gonna be a goofy fucking character. Come on. Doing the feet's gonna be a little weird. Maybe. We'll see. What am I doing? I'm doing a picture. So picture's fairly easy. Start with a cube. Get it to about the size we want. Okay. Take you. I'll take. Why is it over there? Hold on. Alright. Gives you a pickaxe or his rifle. There's somebody that already gives you guns. No, it has 5. What has 5, CZ? 5 fingers? Like I can't add a finger that doesn't have a rig. So I'd have to make an alteration to it. You want a diamond pickaxe? Oh goodness. Alright, hold on. Why is it doing that? I'm gonna reset the okay. Okay. For BSP. We can... I mean, there's gonna be different weapons, so... The scythe will be oh my god, did I just crash Maya? Why? I think Maya crashed. Nope, just thinking. Is the game coming? Not the full game. More than likely I'll have at least the story mode done, I'm thinking by 26. But I just need to keep plugging away at it and kind of see where we're at the end of the year. If I can meet the 2024 Q4 deadline for the demo, who knows what else we can do. .1 .05 What about the full game? I don't know. Because I intend to have the full game feature multiplayer, so that'll probably be a challenge in of itself. Hey CZ, do you have like a stylus or anything? Can you just like sign? Give me like a signature or something. It says like CZ Games. Do you like put like a signature like to my biggest fan, Grim? Do that. We'll just we'll make it a picture like that. We'll do camera based and UV editor. Okay. Take a UV shell. Control Shift U. Put both. Put like biggest fan Grim, to my biggest fan Grim, and then under that CZ Games. It's like if the character like came up to you and like asked for an autograph, is kind of how I'm envisioning it. Know what I mean? I mean, I guess I could use like a cursive font or something to fake it. It's up to you. Copy. Okay. Now we'll have to do a UV snapshot. Browse. Engram. CZ picture. Snap. Okay. Is that we want edges softened. That'll be alright. Okay. Oh, I need to bevel that. Point 1. Try to. There we go. And we'll bevel these. There we go. I don't need WinRAR. Photoshop. With the scythe and a gun, yeah. Alright. That's gonna be over in here. Easy picture. I thought I hit save on that snap. Maybe I didn't. Image snapshot. Needs to be a JPEG in there. Oh, it's an IFF, I think. No, it's not. I didn't do it. I didn't do it, is what happened. Send another one. Oh, just send me the just send me this. That's all I need. Or did you just use the cursive font? Because I can just do that. Okay. Well, one. Wait, I hit enter. That's what it was. Okay. 275. Sorry, I'm trying to match your font. Okay. Black. That's close. That's close. I'll take it. Let's move it though. Control T. And we'll just so what we want to do, we'll rasterize type. I will Control I. And then that should make it easier to read. Just, oh, you just sent the file. There you go. Save image. Grim. CZ picture. Save it there. Okay. Delete that. Throw you in. Enter. Okay. Control T. Throw it like there. Bring it down a little bit. Light's a little hard to see on that background. What up, Dante? How you be, my guy? Hope you're having a good night. Alright, CZ, so I need to make this more visible. Color overlay. Changed it to black. If we gave it an outer glow. Made it white. You will have to change the background to black. Not really. There's other ways to make black visible. Like that. Right there. It's pretty visible. The other thing you can do is have a rasterize layer. You can also take it, duplicate it, overlay it just a little bit, and then invert it. Control Shift I. I think it's just Control I. It just doesn't want to have effects. Yeah. Change the background to black. Black's not going to give it a whole lot of texture. Do you really want it to be black, CZ? If you really want it to be black, I'll change it to black. Snap. Yeah. So, Turn that one off. Turn that. Blue. Fill. Black. There you go. Alright. I'm gonna back, had to take a shit. Hope you had a good shit. Okay, so now basically all we do is drop it into here. Control T. And we're just gonna make sure that we kind of frame it correctly. So the picture portion is going to be that little square. Okay. Alright. The OG pick is, bro. It's your work, man. I don't. However you want me to put it in there, I don't mind. I was just thinking of it as like a drawing, something, and usually that's done on like paper. That's why I had the paper background. Not that big of a deal, let me tell you. Save as. I'll save this as pick. Okay. Not PSD. I'll save it as PNG. Where the storm that is approaching. Alright, so we got this. We can open this again. I don't need you. You can minimize all these windows. You go ahead and export selection as Grim available on PS6 and Xbox One. Yeah, I mean, if those are still the relevant consoles by the time it's completely done. I mean, I guess they're starting to do like early access and stuff on. I know Xbox is. I don't know how PlayStation feels about early access. What was it? CZ Picture. We'll do CZ Pick. Export selection. We will discard. We can. I don't want to open a project. I want to start a new project. Select CZ Picture. CZ Pick. Does an FPX. That is good. You can hit OK. Alright, we're gonna call this CZ Pick. Okay. We will come over here to materials, smart materials, we'll grab wood. Add a black, add a white mask, and turn it off in the center. Okay. Base. Turn our height up a little bit. I can turn off sharpen, grudge. Turn that down. Okay. We'll import resource. It's called pics. We'll do texture. Project. Okay. Gonna go up here. We're gonna hit fill. Do black mask. We are going to just select that. We can take base color, go there, hit 1. Okay. We want it to read like it's on glass, so we turn down the roughness a little bit more, I'd say. Hit that specular, because you know we need it. Normal height, well, we could do height, we could drop it. Specular, right about there. There we go. There you go, CZ. Look at that, your own little game asset. How big does that need to be? Can I do 512? Can I do 250? Let's do 512. File, export textures. Okay, I'll go back. Desktop. Grim. CZ picture. Select folder. Export is 512. Make sure that has a material called CZ pic. CZ pic. Okay. Matte. It's important. Okay. I have. Do I have 2 UV sets? I have a light map. Okay. Soften edges. And we will export. CZ pic. Export. Go into our game. Alright. Add, import. CZ pic. Import all. CZ. Come on. CZ. Okay. Can you send me a screenshot of it later so I can post it on Twitter? Yeah, I don't mind. Let me, do you want me to wait until I kind of finish the area a little bit? Because I was going to add like a computer to the area, but I guess, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. It's metallic. Normal. Yeah, because the area itself is kind of blank. So, and actually we got to work on that now. I just don't know that that's going to be today. Because it is almost 9 o'clock. I can get started a little bit. What are we doing, Philo? Come here. So roughness. And specular. Okay, hit apply. Hit save. Go under a level. Turn down the camera speed. because my lord, that should okay. Yeah, I was like that should be saving. Okay, 9. It's probably big enough. There you go. Make it big. I mean, like, how big? Because, like, it looks small. Right now. Once I hit play, it's gonna look huge. Where do I put it, though? I want to, like... Let's skew it over here. Just a little... Yeah. Let's put it right about there. Okay. Let's see how that looks. I mean, they do be pretty big. Need it bigger? How big do we need to make this? Huge. I don't want to make it like fucking billboard size. I'm not going to make it bigger than that TV. I'll tell you that much. But, you know, we could make you wide mode. Hold on. I might scale that up a little bit though. It doesn't look too bad. You don't want to go wide mode? Not gonna... It's not time to split, I take it? The music turned off. So that's something. Might make it a little wide. Wide mode. Alright. As big as I'm making you. Alright. And if you want, we can put the character in here too. I don't think that looks bad. Is that too wide? Is that good? I think it looks good. I'm probably gonna move it up just a little bit though. Yes, I want the character also, yeah. I'll do, in fact, I'm gonna add those to my board. Blunt, smoking, penguin. Let me write that out so I know it. What is that, Felix? I will be right back. Give me 1 second. My cat takes my chair. And then I go and get another chair so he can have it. And then he leaves the chair. Like he didn't even want it. Bullshit. Okay? Absolute bullshito. What are we doing, kiddo? Computer, folding table, laundry hamper, trash can. Well, I mean, the computer's fairly easy. We just grab our TV. And bring that into Maya. What are you doing? I know I can just bring those in. Where are they going? Are they super tiny? Are they really big? You're not showing up, kitty. Grim. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, hold on. Nope, hold on. You got crusties. I felt them. Now you gotta sit here and let me get your crusties. It's important. Alright, so we go into TV. Should be able to import it. I don't know why it's not showing up. Let's close Maya. Reopen Maya. Let's start looking. I gotta Google. Images. Okay. Alright, so... Oh, come on. Take you. Is it called Grimoire? Grimoire is, was the old game. This is called Grim. We did the title. Grim's got its whole... It's the thing. Yeah, I made a title for it. It's, the title. Grim. In fact, you can even buy a shirt. You gotta... datafabrications.com, you go to my merch store. And go ahead and get some Grim merch. Get on a t-shirt, get it on a hoodie, get a sticker. Yeah. Oh yeah, hold on. Is TV going to import? That's what we need to know. And honestly, if it doesn't, we're just gonna have to cut our losses and make another one. Okay. So, with this, we're just gonna create 2 little stands. Might buy a Grim hoodie? Hell yeah. I was gonna buy one, and I got lazy and bought a bunch of stuff for my computer instead, and my cats. I purchased like a gaming chair, and then my ex-wife took it in the divorce, so I just bought a better gaming chair. And then my mouse and keyboard were kind of falling apart, so I needed to get that. I should just buy one. I'm gonna buy a hoodie. Put a CZ Games video on the TV. It would be funny. So I can't put a full one. If you want to find like a nice short, it's you know, it's like the problem is like the video can't be too long, or otherwise it'll just sit there and load forever. Like, and I gotta work on the programming for the other one, but I'll kind of show you what I did for this placeholder one. And the other thing I might have issue with is copyright. That's the other thing I gotta keep into consideration. Why did that not? Yeah. So yeah, I mean this loads, and then like the longer it is, the longer it takes between like when you play and it like actually playing. So I guess there's no definitive answer to like how long it needs to be, but the other thing that like this is 20 seconds, like a little bit of 20 seconds. But the other thing that we need to keep into consideration, like I can't just put FNAF on there, you know what I mean? Because that's copyrighted work. It's not about your copyright, it's about like if you're doing like a let's play, that games copyright holder can come after me, if that makes sense. And it does happen all the time with games. So you have to be a little more careful with using other people's work in video games. So yeah, it's kind of it's a tricky gray area when we get into that stage. But I mean, I was gonna do kind of unique stuff for all of this. Copyright sucks, yeah, and it gets trickier when it's not just something you're like, oh well, you know, it's a let's play. I'm using this as like a transformative thing, or this is entertainment, because like in video games, it's like, you know, if the character shows up, then there's an issue. Stuff like that, it's a little trickier. Okay. The edge loop. Maybe don't do those two. Yeah, that'll look good. Okay. You could be making vids on Grim once it goes public. Which we're a little ways out. Because there's not a whole lot to it right now. You know what I mean? We'll get there though. Yeah, I mean, if you did something on Grim, then yeah, I could put that in there, no problem. Yeah, I mean, everybody's gonna be able to play it early. As soon as it gets to hello, Hadge plays. Hope you're having a good Friday. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, I mean, basically Q4, I'm hoping to have like a playable, basically the playable demo, but it's basically going to be like that first playable area. So we got a few bosses to go through. I got 2 more basic enemies to code. I got to finish coding the rat. We got a handful of NPCs, and then just a bunch of like programming. Oh, we're getting there. It's gonna be a lot of modeling. I'll tell you that much. Oh no. I don't want that. I want to subdivide and take a UV camera based, pull up the editor, grab you. We will snag that. I'll shift X, UV shell, Control U. Okay, I'll take that little turd and mirror it over. So transform attributes. Select all of this, combine, and then we will take our UV shell. So it don't really matter. Take both of them. Scale it, bring it in. Okay. Alright. So we have a TV. I believe I built all the materials and engine, so we'll just go ahead and keep that. What type of game is it? Is it horror? It's 3D. Sorry, I don't know why I paused that. New headset. Forgive me. It's a like 3D platformer. Not necessarily horror. I guess it's horror-esque. Like there's some horror elements, but it's gonna be kind of goofy. Like think kind of raunchy humor like Conker's Bad Fur Day, but set in like the underworld where you play as the Grim Reaper collecting souls. Yeah. When it comes out, you'll play? Nice. Welcome aboard. All aboard the hype train. Shoot you. Yeah, I mean, you know, go ahead and hit that sub button, or I do have a website, datafabrications.com, should be in the thing. If you want to keep up on it, a bit more information on the website. What am I doing? Computer. But I stream pretty regularly. Hoping to have the... I don't know when you join, but yeah, I'm hoping to be in a playable state, like a demo state, by the end of the year. And we'll see what happens. Export, you know what I did forget to do? those. TV screen. We'll just I guess we'll just use our placeholder for right now. Probably right about that. That'll work. Just a little bit. What time is it? 9:09. Okay. Delete that. Keyboard. Just. Okay. Bevel edges. Out. Okay. UV camera based. The part that really matters is going to be this top. So take that, split it there. Okay, cut it in the corner. Shift X, we shall unfold. That's our bottom. Okay. Alright, take snipping. What is the game called? The game is called Grim. Yeah, so if you go to datafabrications.com, it's going to be my website. The game's called Grim. You can check out parts of the design document, so it'll kind of explain a little bit. These are old, so I do need to kind of update them a little bit because the concept's changed. There's music, merch. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I try to make it interesting. This is Re. Oh, it's a branding. Just erase that. Do new. No, not new. I need to pull that image off. Snipping tool, grab it. Okay. File save as keyboard. And go into desktop, Grim, computer. Computer, keyboard JPEG file. Okay. Now, we'll take the object and do a UV snapshot. Okay. Go to Grim. Computer, keyboard, snap, okay, this keyboard's probably going to be the last asset I can make today. We gotta open up our keyboard textures. Computer, keyboard, and I was being dumb. Oh, no. Maybe. Snapshot. Apply. There we go. Keyboard snap. Okay, pull you out. Just gonna post that over. Could be a little big. And skewed. So let's shift. Okay. Brush. Brush. Erase over here. Okay. And erase the edge. Black fill behind it. Maybe that fill would be better if it matched the keyboard. Can't do that. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Make it a little easier to blend in. Okay, so we'll save this as keyboard text. PNG. Keyboard text. Filter. Normal. File. Save as PNG. Keyboard. Save. There. Now, view, soften edges, file, so new material, file, history, file, my light map, so you can take up a bunch of memory to render light on. Go ahead and export, computer. FBX, export selection, open up substance, do new, discard. Grim, computer, keyboard is what I put. It's alright. Import resource, keyboard text, keyboard texture. Okay, import. Go ahead and fill. Boop. And boop. Do one. Okay. Up the Is it from the normal? Just like that. Probably. Okay. So on a black, go ahead and authorize it on that face alone. Why is it doing that? Shouldn't be. Did I do... I did UV. That's what it is. There we go. Okay. Now... turn you off. Yeah. Put that under. I will take that fill. Metallic, roughness, something closer to that. I need a specular. Turn off height, add spec, go up just a little bit. I'll delete you. Remove layer. I'm gonna duplicate. Take you. Clear mask. Okay. Can remove mask. Clear mask. Toggle mask. Remove mask. That will change to this outside color here. Okay. What? A lot of issues for a little kitty. You know that? Okay, cool. So we got our keyboard. Can export texture. Keyboard probably 512. It's a really small asset. Solaire, desktop, Grim, computer. Select folder, export. Okay, now go in here, import keyboard, import all of this, import all. Go keyboard. Where's the... oh, because the mesh is called keyboard, so... okay, base color, metallic, normal, roughness, and specular. Hit apply, we'll hit save, and we'll look up keyboard. I'll rename that. a joke about it and then forgot. Bring that out a little bit more. Cool. Alrighty, folks. Well, thanks for dropping by. If you haven't already, hit that sub button or the follow button, whatever you're watching this on. And you have a lovely Friday. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.